Binary options trading versus traditional options, differences and how to use them. Understanding the difference between binary options and traditional options is crucial for any trader exploring derivatives. Though both are used for speculation and hedging, they differ significantly in structure, risk, and payoff. 1. What are binary options? Binary options are a simplified financial instrument, where the outcome is a yes or no proposition. You either win a fixed amount or lose your entire investment. Payout, fixed, usually 70 to 90% if correct. Expiry, short term, from 60 seconds to a few hours. Example, you bet that EUR/USD will be above 1.1000 in the next hour. If yes, you win. If not, you lose your stake. Advantages, easy to understand, quick returns, limited risk. Disadvantages, high risk of loss, often criticized for being closer to gambling. Some platforms lack transparency and regulation. 2. What are traditional options? Traditional options, like call and put options, are more complex and flexible. They give the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price before or at expiry. Types: call, buy, put, sell. Used in stock, forex, commodity, and index trading. Payout, variable based on asset movement. Advantages: strategic flexibility, hedging, speculation, spreads. Controlled risk with potential for large gains, widely regulated and used by institutions. Disadvantages: learning curve is steep. More capital may be required. Time decay can erode value. Third key differences: feature binary options. Traditional options: risk, reward, fixed variable complexity, simple complex expiry, very short term, ranges from days to months. Regulation, less regulated in some regions, heavily regulated strategic use, limited broad strategies possible. 4. When to use them. Use binary options for quick, speculative trades when you accept all or nothing risk. Use traditional options for more sophisticated trading or hedging strategies with more control over outcomes. Choosing between binary and traditional options depends on your risk tolerance, trading goals, and understanding of the instruments. While binary options offer simplicity, traditional options provide flexibility and broader use in real market strategies.